TikTok Reels to IG influencers, there is a ton of cool stuff advertised out there. If you are or know a 15-year-old who wants to make some cash, this video has 13 jobs for 15-year-olds that can help you make some money to spend how you'd like. Just something to note, the Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA, states that 15-year-olds can legally work in the US, but with certain restrictions. So long as you're adhering to the limit on working hours and aren't employed by a hazardous occupation, like mining or construction, you may want to check out some of the following jobs. Number 1, restaurant server. Step into any standard restaurant and you'll surely see a few teens making their living. One thing many people don't know is that tipped employees don't legally need to make minimum wage, so long as their hourly wage plus their tips equals the minimum wage. That being said, you may be making less per hour on paper, but tipping culture means you can hustle for more cash, especially if you can start working at a higher-end restaurant that also sells alcohol. If you'd rather stay in your home and work remotely, you may also like another video we made called How to Make Money Online Without Paying Anything. Check it out. Number 2, busser or barback. If you'd rather not deal with customers face-to-face but still enjoy the tipping restaurant scene, consider bussing or being a barback. Bussers clear and set tables between customers, and barbacks help restock busy bars during service time. If you want to serve at a restaurant but it's super fancy, they may even start you out as a table busser or barback before working your way up. In any case, you'll still get a portion of the tips and have fun working the crazy restaurant scene. Number 3, landscaper. Mowing lawns, raking leaves, and planting bushes is a job most fit 15-year-olds can do. You can start in your neighborhood by knocking on neighbors' doors or leaving flyers in their mailboxes. Shoveling snow is another semi-landscaping option if you're living in colder climates. Number 4, cashier. An oldie but goodie, check out your local supermarket, gas station, or retail store to see if they could use a hand at the register. Asking about a month before busy seasons, like a month before school lets out or a month before Black Friday, also gives you a better shot at finding an open position. Number 5, golf caddy. If you're close enough to a golf course, consider caddying. You'll transport the bag and clubs around the course, offer certain advice, and maintain some equipment. You'll get paid per round of golf plus a tip. And since golf is a pretty bougie sport, those tips can significantly increase your total income. Number 6, babysitter. Another standard job for a teen is babysitting. You're old enough to be responsible, but young enough to entertain the kiddos. If you have a family member, start there to get referrals. Otherwise, you can post your services at the local library board or even the local preschool or elementary after-school program. Number 7, pet or house sitter. Pet sitters may have the pet in their home or go to the pet's original home to feed and care for the animal while the owner is on vacation. House sitting is similar, except that you're temporarily staying in the person's house so that it's safe and not left sitting there in the dark while the owners are out of town. Both jobs pay humble wages but are extremely chill and pretty low-key. Number 8, grocery bagger. Most grocery stores will still have grocery baggers, so head to your local mart to see if you can lend a hand. Number 9, newspaper delivery. Yes, newspapers are still a thing and still delivered, especially in small towns. You can make it a bike route or see if your parent or older sibling wants to lend a hand with their vehicle. Number 10, lifeguard. Some beaches, camps, or pools will hire lifeguards in their teens. You'll have to go through some training, usually provided by the employer, and then you'll be able to sit waterside and enjoy the sights while protecting those in the water. Number 11, ice cream scooper. If you're summer with a bustling summer season or sunny weather all year long, apply to your local ice cream store to scoop some yummy treats for a paycheck. Number 12, camp staff. There are different types of camps throughout the year, not just in the summer. Working at a camp lets you grow your skill set, meet other people around your age, and be a mentor to younger kids. Number 13, stock associate. From Amazon warehouses to stocking the back of your local food mart, stock associates will make sure items go where they're supposed to once delivered to the facility. If you're not a people person, this may be a great gig for you. If you're 15 and looking to work, good for you. I love to see that hustle and work ethic. There are plenty of options out there. Which one sounds the best to you? Let me know in the comments. As always, best of luck and thanks for watching.